At this point, we've covered most of the basics of managing containers individually. We've created groups of containers manually that work together, either by using Docker's rich networking support or using the legacy link functionality. To create these orchestrations of containers, we've been required to issue individual commands ourselves in a specific order. Docker offers another document that can define a group of containers and their relationships. This document is used by Docker Compose, which is another tool in the Docker ecosystem. Docker Compose uses a Docker Compose YAML file that describes multiple containers to manage the containers as a whole. Let's create a very basic Docker Compose file that just runs a single container. There are two different specifications of the Docker Compose YAML file. Version 2 was recently released, and we can use it by simply specifying version 2 at the top of our YAML file. Next, we can add a services section to our YAML, which allows us to define a list of services, or containers, that Docker Compose will manage. Our simple composition will just contain a single container running Redis. Each service in the services section is keyed by the container name. We'll call ours kvstore1. Underneath our service definition, we can specify a number of attributes,